first drive after installing the turbo inlet pipes, CVFAB. We do have a COBB intake as well. Still not tuned. I'm waiting until I get the front mount intercooler installed and spark plugs and the oil and air separator, trying to get all the parts that I have fully installed, and then we're gonna go with the tune. But it feels pretty good. Just driving it normal. Definitely feel the more throttle response. Get a little bit of juice. There she goes. Go from a dig. Fuck yeah. Definitely loving how this truck is driving. As we put more parts into it, you know, building it up. Can't wait till I get that front mount intercooler installed and get it tuned. This truck's gonna be a lot different. Stay tuned until next time.